Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Spec Sense. Let's take a look at the standard Type A light bulb. Now, the shape is the most common bulb available. All light bulbs have a code which describes the shape, size, and base type. Now, this code can be determined by a few measurements. The first part of the code is the bulb shape. For the bulb size, measure the diameter in inches, then multiply that number by 8. Now measure the base in millimeters. This gives us an A19 bulb with an E26 medium screw base. A19 is the most common, but many bulbs use the A15 and A21 sizes. Now, if you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can always call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.